my channel, and today I'm creating this look with using this palette right here, the Morphe 3503. And I do really love this palette. This is like my second time using it since I got it, and it's really good. And so if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright, so this side is already done as usual, and this side is already primed and ready to go. I'm using the Morphe 3503 palette today. And the first shade I'm going to be using is this one right here. Let's see what this is called. This is called Consume. And this is going all in the crease as our transition color. I'm bringing this color up pretty far. You don't have to. I'm just going for a kind of dramatic, smoky halo eye today. And then just go into this color as many times as you like to build up the pigmentation. These colors are really pigmented, so yeah, just be aware of that. Next, to brighten up the orange a little bit, I'm going to go into the shade called Flame Game, and it is the shade directly under that one. And we're just going to put this one in the crease as well. And then this is just kind of a brighter orange that's just going to really, you know, make it pop. Using the same brush, I'm using this little fluffy brush here. And then for the inner and outer corners, I'm first going to go into the shade Warning Label, which is this shade right here. It's kind of burgundy color. And that is going to go all into my inner and outer corners. Just really packing it on. And I'm just using this flat brush. And then going back into the first brush, we're just going to blend out those edges. And now I'm going to go one shade darker, taking the shade called Ignition. And that is this dark brown burgundy color here. And then that's also just going to go in my inner and outer corners, again using the same brush. I'm going to take the shade Stun Wild first, and then the shade Embers on top of it. So going in with this color first, this is like a coppery color, and then this shade on top of it, which is more of a brighter orange. And they're both shimmers. So first, the coppery color. Alright, so that is it for the eyes for now. I'm going to do my face makeup, and then I'll be right back to finish it off. Makeup is done, and this eye is completely done, except I'm going to add on lashes at the end. So now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with this very first brush we used and the very first color we used, and just taking a little bit of this, adding to the inner and outer parts of my lower lash line. And taking a little bit of the brighter orange too. You can use smaller brushes if you want, but I just rather just use the same brush. And then I'm going to take the next brush that we used that had the burgundy shades on them, and it already still has product on it, so I'm just going to add what is left on it to the inner and outer parts. and I added too much. So I'm gonna go back in with the first brush and blend this out as much as I can. All right, so now that it looks like I have a black eye, I'm going to take this brush that has on some cream colored eyeshadow and try to fix this right here. Okay. So I'm going to go into that bright orange shimmery shade that we used on the lid, taking this little tiny brush here and putting it right in the middle. Alright, so now I used this Ofra and NikkieTutorials highlighter in Glow Goals. This is what it looks like. This is the highlighter I used, and I'm going to also use this on the inner corners using this little brush here. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inner corner right here. And I'm also going to add just a tiny bit to the very center, at the top and on the bottom of the eyelid. And now I'm going to take this Tarte Gifted mascara and just use this to coat my lashes before we put on falsies. For falsies, I'm going to take these Lashaholic and Jared Lips lashes in the Stronger Than Yesterday collection thing. And they did this in collaboration with Jared Lips because he is battling cancer, and there's proceeds that go to his medical bills when you buy these. I actually got these kind of for a giveaway. They did a giveaway and they gave away 2 sets of lashes and some other things, and he picked one more person to get a pair of lashes, and he picked me, surprisingly. And these are cruelty free. I am very thankful to have received these, and this is going to be my first time using them, so I'm so excited. And this packaging is so pretty, how it's like holographic. I love that. So, ooh, these are gorgeous. These are the lashes. And now I'm just going to pop these on, and then I'll be right back and I'll be done with the whole look. Alright guys, so this is the photo look. I love these lashes. They're very like dramatic and just, I love them. And so that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!